Julio writes in and tells us that he would give a 0 to his insurance company, 0 stars, because of the way he's been treated. And that's what we hear, unfortunately, a lot of the time. So I'm going to talk to you about that on our denial of the day. Julio, I would give 0 stars to the insurance company. The adjuster did an inspection of my commercial roof, and I heard him tell my contractor that the insurance company is not in favor of its customers when determining results of inspections. Okay? I mean, we see that all the time, but why would you say that out loud? And after 2 weeks, they claim that the TPO of the shingle is available to repair, TPO of the roof membrane is available to repair when there are more than 150 square feet of the small roof that is damaged from hail and the roof needs to be replaced. They want to offer us about $1,500. Okay, so I don't know exactly what's happening. Some of these numbers and things are off, but ultimately he says when I asked about the damage to the gutters also, the insurance company advised that I'd have to submit yet another claim for that which I would have to pay an additional deductible. Never again with this insurance company. There's a lot of stuff going on here with Julio. I don't know the exact numbers. They seem a little bit off depending on, I guess, where it's at specifically. But the thing that gets me is this, is why would the insurance company say, yes, there's a claim for your roof, but you also have to file a separate claim for your gutters? Like, that's not how this works. Is it should be under one claim. Again, depending on what the policy says, most policies say it's covered cause of loss if it's hail and it hits the gutters and the roof and the downspouts and the windows and the HVAC. Like, that's all one claim, one deductible. That's not multiple occurrences. That's one storm that occurred and then the damage occurred from that one storm. So don't let the insurance company fool you into believing that you have to do more than what is required in the policy. Remember what I just said. That's super important. You are required to do what's in the policy to fulfill your obligations under that contract, and as long as you've met your requirements, the insurance company is required to do the same on their side. Is you pay the premiums, you make sure the damage is mitigated, doesn't get worse, right? And there's some other stuff that you have to do as far as duties after loss in the policy. And as long as you do that, the insurance company should come to the table and do their portion, which is to pay the claim fully and fairly for legitimate and reasonable damage and items that are on the estimate. Simple as that. So if they're not doing that, contact us today, bellatorclaims.com, and let us know how we can help you, because the sooner you let us know, the more options we have to help you. So help us help you. Contact us today, bellatorclaims.com.